Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Alright, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. This just caught my eye. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Okay. So, I'm seeing here that somebody wants to give you a brand new love offer, but there's some concern, Lord, there's some concern with their finances right now. You know, somebody's trying to make sure that financially speaking, they're stable before they can give you this new love offer. And I'm seeing that, yeah, they're trying to get out of a situation. They need to make the effort to completely get out of something that they're feeling stuck in, but also they need to make the effort to come back towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. So let's see what's going on, Cancers. Let's see. Bottom of the deck. Ooh, sorry y'all, it's a glare, but I have the Ace of Cups reversed. So somebody feels like when they give you this offer, you're not going to take it. They messed up. So let's see. See, Nine of Cups try to come out reverse. They're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. Wow, y'all. The Ace of Pentacles came out reverse and it landed right on top of finances and career. See what I'm saying? Somebody's worried about their money right now. Somebody's feeling financially unstable. It could be because of family. Someone from the past. Maybe this person has a child or children with someone, or, you know, something's going on with their money. So let's see. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be going through some type of legal situation, and that's why their money, you know, looking a little funny. But I'm seeing that they want the truth. You know, they know you want the truth. They want to give you the truth. They're trying to figure out how you feel, because ultimately it's like they want to balance things out with you, but they're trying to get this other situation together first. See what I'm saying? It's money. I feel like financially speaking, things will improve for this person. See, look at that. They want a new opportunity with you. That's the main focus right now. That's why finances and career came out for you guys, Cancer. Because, see, look, this person was being immature and childish towards you. I feel like they were being careless with their money. Look at that. Wheel of Fortune reverse. See? You see what I'm saying? This is why this person can't move forward with you just yet. Because they have to close out some type of karmic cycle, see? They got to put an end to a situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio in order to move forward with you. They definitely want to have a new beginning with you, but there's something else that they have to get out of first. See? Y'all. I can't. It's with money. They want to be content financially speaking, Cancers. They want to be with you, but there's somebody around them that's holding on to them. See, and this is why they're undecided about what to do. Tell me more. Lord, the Five of Cups just jumped straight out of my hands. Hold on, y'all. I saw it. Ah! Okay, see, it's reversed. So, this is the thing. This person definitely took some type of financial loss, bottom of the deck, because of a family situation. And they're trying to have the strength to come towards you because they know if I leave this other situation, I'm going to take a loss. But they're getting to the point where they're like, I kind of don't care anymore. Let me just do what I have to do to remove myself, see? Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody also could be dealing with a Capricorn. I have a Scorpio here, but regardless, I feel like somebody was stuck in some type of like toxic situation, but they were fearing getting out of this situation because of some type of financial loss. See, they're afraid that you don't want to be with them, but I'm telling you, this person had to end some type of relationship, commitment, marriage. There was something going on. They had to get out of it. See, this person could have been being a player. You know, this is why they were very inconsistent with you. I feel like, yes, they want to rush in because they want to tell you what's been going on. This person's definitely been keeping some things from you. This could be them waiting for some type of important document or contract from the courts if there is a legal situation going on. Because, see, there's somebody around them that is, I'm telling you, they're taking their money. Or this is what they're fearing. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Tell me more. Oh, see what I'm saying? They're trying to make a decision. See, they're going slow. This person, I mean, they've been moving slow, but it's like this is going to still take some time, guys. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but this is why they're isolating themselves, because they're having a hard time right now in this other situation. But the seeds that they planted with you, yes, they want them to grow. But see, they feel stuck. It landed right on top of the devil. I told y'all. They feel stuck in this toxic situation, this codependent situation. Somebody's obsessed. You get what I'm saying? Like, they have to get out of this situation first. And see, that's why they're having trouble trying to make a decision. How can I go back towards Cancer? Or if, crosswatch, if you were dealing with a Cancer, this is what they're thinking about you. They're trying to figure this out. See, look at that. Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm seeing they want to move forward with you. Look at that. Give you that new love offer, and the Hierophant jumped on top of new love. And look, this person definitely wants to give you a stable, secure love offer. But right now, they're having a hard time. So like I said, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But they know they're going to have to speak their truth to you. They're going to have to if they want this to work. But they're afraid that once they move forward with you, you're not going to want this new beginning, see? They feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you at all. Yep, they're not positive about it because, see, they left you out in the cold for a family situation. But you're still going to get an offer. They want to be with you bad, okay? See, look at that. I told you, they're going to work hard. They're going to do whatever they can to come back towards you. But see, right now, Spirit is saying they're dragging their feet. Clarify the Sun. They want happiness with you, but somebody feels like you cut them off, like you're done. For some of you, somebody has a child with someone else, or there was like a pregnancy, and they feel like if they tell you this, or if this is something that you already know, regardless, you're done. In their head, they're like, you're not going to take me back. See, because in the past, this person was being sneaky. But now they want to show you that they made a change. See what I'm saying? There's communication coming in about a new opportunity here. But it's like, 1 minute they're not frustrated, but the next minute they are, because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. But Spirit is saying they need to get out of their head. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here. See, they're trying to hold on to hope that they can win you back. But see, the way these two cards just came out, I told you this person's in their head. Because it's like 1 minute, they're like, okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to give you the love offer that you deserve. I want us to work through this. I want us to move forward. I'm hoping that you're going to, hear me out, and we can start moving in a direction to where you're no longer looking back at my mistakes, what I've done. Like, give me another chance, please. This is what this person is thinking. But in the same breath, they're like, I know I caused an imbalance. Even though, yes, I want to be with you, I'm not so sure if you can move forward with me. So I want you guys to know this person is keeping tabs on you. They're watching you from a distance. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. See, they want a new beginning with you. Card tried to jump right on my hands. They're going to have to tell you the truth. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces here. Ooh, see what the way this card came out, y'all. They're going to have to tell you the truth about this codependent situation, number one. They're also going to have to tell you the truth because they know y'all don't trust them, okay? They know this, Cancer. They know. And the thing is, they know that they're going to have to go slow. They want to give you an offer, but right now they can't. Honestly, didn't I tell y'all in the beginning this is going to take some time? They can't give you the offer that you want. They can't just say, hey, I'm sorry. Can we please move forward? Can we just work this out? I want to be with you. They can't do all of that. One, you don't trust them. Two, they still tied up in this other situation. So, and they're trying to make sure, financially speaking, things are going to improve. Because, see what I'm saying? Communication. You're going to hear from this person. You will. They're going to reach out to you. But they know that they hurt you. This person feels like you're still upset with them. See what I'm saying? Because, see, they didn't bring stability into the situation. Could have been dealing with an Aries. Even though they're frustrated, they're going to come towards you. They're going to clear away these obstacles. But right now, they're stuck. Because, see, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to fix the situation. But they want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. See, they want to balance things out because they don't want you to walk away. And this person is hurting. They're realizing, like damn, I really messed up. See, and they're going to have to make a decision. Look at that. But they're going to free themselves. So that situation that they felt stuck in, they're getting out of it. This person, I see them being single. They're going to get out. Let's see. But there's a mother figure here blocking. Because this person's going to have to cough up some money. See, that's why they're worried about their financial stability. Yes, they're going to come back to you to make things right, but they're going to have to pay someone else. Tell me more. And that's why they're worried, because they want to have this new beginning with you. They want to have that new start, but they don't know how this is going to play out with this other individual. See what I'm saying? They want to ask you out. They want to celebrate with you, but that third party is still in the way. And that's why they're moving slow. Okay? See? They had you waiting around when it came down to, you know, them trying to make a decision, making a move when it came to their finances. But now they're coming out of that, you know, they're coming out of that energy. They're coming out of being frustrated. Because, see, they want to fix your broken heart. And, see, they're going to be confident, too, when they come back towards you. But, see, right now, they're like, I don't see how things can improve, because I know I basically lost my person. I lost the person that I'm supposed to be with. I'm frustrated about that. See? They're feeling like, one, you're not going to take that offer. They're like, you're not going to take it. But, two, I'm telling y'all, they're worried about their financial security. Ooh. They're worried. This person stabbed you in the back. I saw it. They stabbed you in the back. Spirit is saying they're going to listen to their intuition to figure this out. Ooh, look at that. 11, 11, 11. See what I'm saying? Y'all already know whoever this is resonating for. This is your person. Hands down, whether it's a soulmate or a twin, this is your person. And they want to come back and make things right with you. And they will. See, somebody could be dealing with air sign. But the thing is, they're going to have to communicate with you. And the looks of it, this person has had a hard time opening up, talking to you. So their communication could be very blunt, you know, and very direct. But whatever, they're going to have to talk to you, because they know you're no longer reaching out. You're not saying anything. But see, they're unsure if you're going to cut them off or not, you know. This person is holding on to a lot of things that they regret doing or saying to you. Look at that. I have 2 tens. They feel like it's over. You know, some of them feel like it's over between you and him, or you and her, whatever the situation is. But I'm telling you, when it comes down to this other person that they were dealing with, they're going to put an end to it, because they want to come back and heal things with you. I told you, they stabbed you in the back, and look at that. They're going to take a leap. Cancer, they're coming back. They're going to take a leap to come back and fix this. So, let's see. Yeah, so bear with me, because I have not touched this deck since I did the June readings. So, yeah, it's still a little slick, but we're going to get through it. Okay, anyway, bottom of the deck, the King of Wands. Okay, so I'm seeing somebody's going to be very confident. So, let's see. Oh, King of Swords. The fact that I have 2 kings there, did y'all meet somebody else? Do y'all have a decision between 2? If you don't, you might, okay? That's why somebody's going to have to be very direct. But y'all like, I don't want this person to pass. I'm done. I cut them off, see? Look at this. I put an end to it. There's a death card. I'm done. This person has put me through a lot. But look. Oh my gosh, y'all look. But the offer's still coming in. There's still an offer. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.